still using an out-of-date monitor? Come on, let me show you a thinner, sleeker model. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Introducing the Dahua B200S Commercial Series Monitor. Here's the product box. Its dimensions are 598mm by 366mm by 99mm and weighs 3.26 kilograms. Let's look inside. The package includes the base, the stand, the user manual, the legal and regulatory information booklet, an HDMI cable, a power adapter, and the monitor. The Dahua B200S Series monitor is 492.7mm by 284mm by 46.7mm and weighs 2 kilograms. It boasts an ultra-narrow bezel for a sleek, three-sided frameless design. It supports a 1920 by 1080 resolution for vivid, full high-definition images and videos. You can also adjust the angle of the monitor to meet your viewing needs. The monitor is equipped with a built-in speaker for added convenience. Overall, the B200S Series monitor is a cost-effective, lightweight monitor, ideal for personal and large-scale offices. For more technical information, you can visit the product link below or contact your local Dahua retailer. As always, this has been your friendly Dahua assistant, Danny. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notification icon. Stay tuned for more informative videos right here at Dahua Technology, enabling a safer society and smarter living.